Hi, I'm AmazEarth, and today we're exploring the historical townships of Grant, Talbotville and Crooked River, while also exploring the township of Dargo. We're currently in the township of Dargo. It has a population of 99 people and is about 340 kilometres away from Melbourne. How you going? Yeah, good. Thank you. Just doing some exploring. Come together. No, it's infested with mosquitoes. Well, we've got enough food for ages. Well, it seems we've run into some trouble on the way to Grant. The car understeered and we've gotten it bogged with no phone reception up in the mountains. Yeah, it's just a cloud over there, pretty much. Hello. Thank you. Well, two kind men towed us out of the ditch so the day moves forward. We found what we think is a death cap mushroom just coming into Grant Cemetery. Grant Cemetery, there's about 40 unmarked graves and there's only 2 with headstones. Here's one of them here. Henry Harrison and Sarah Fox and Elizabeth Harrison. 1890, 1901, 1902. There's a nice little fence around it. Right, this is the second one with the headstone. Alfred Redford and Lewis Redford, 1870 and 1912. It's a cute little fence also. And these ones here are the unmarked graves. There's a few more over here. Let's have a look. Down here. And the others around there. Cute little cemetery with a lot of unmarked graves. Just walking through the woods, we've come across a large mushroom.
So big. Yeah, it's not edible, but it's similar to an edible one, I think. Or it could be the edible one.
We've been walking for about 1 kilometre and we've just come across the historic town of Grant. We've made it to the township of Grant. At its peak, the population was 2,000 people. Currently, there's no buildings left. The township prospered during this period, but within 2 decades was nearly abandoned. There's many historical artifacts that are still left here, like these really old bottles. There's a nice little cabin up here that's beautifully maintained for people that are camping or four-wheel driving in the wilderness. We've just made it to the jeweler shop mine. It's a mine that's actually underwater. Also, you'll notice here there's a lot of trees that aren't native, so they were planted when the township of Grant was here. Let's go check out this underwater mine. All right, we've made it to the jeweler's mine. Let's have a look. It's a lot colder in here. There's a lot of bugs, and as you can see, there's water. The whole mine is covered in water. Right. Let's continue exploring. Yeah, I reckon it's the other track. I couldn't actually bring you the last mine as we walked down the wrong track for about 3 kilometers and had to walk up a really steep hill. It's now raining and nearly getting dark, so we'll have to leave that mine. If you did like the video, please like and/or subscribe. Thank you.